How's it going, everyone? Wanted to make a quick video on, what's been working for me on Pinterest. Three little quick tips. So the first one I got is your poor performing pins. Go in there and see if they got a really complicated name or a really long name. Shorten it up, and then resave it. And then my second one is your boards. People, if they save a pin from a board, they're going to be recommended other stuff from that board. So organize your boards into simple names that people really search for. And then your old pins that are not doing well, reorganize them into those boards, because then people will be recommended them based off of, the board, if it's doing well. So for instance, if I have a poor performing cactus photo pin, I'll rename it. Like say it was complicated. It was like, oh, super beautiful, spiny, amazing cactus, right? Like I just went wild that day. Well, I'll rename it to just cactus, and then I might have, I'll have in the description obviously the name of the cactus and everything, but then that'll pull people in. Then I'll save that to the cactus board. So then all my cactus pins that are doing really well, will bring people into that board, and then that pin could be recommended to them later on. And then that way you could get your pins with poor names and poor placing to do really better. Another thing, my third tip is going to be essentially, go to your poor pins, like poor performing pins. And now that you've renamed and resaved them, also see if you have a link to your website or a link to an old affiliate link or a link to buying this or whatever. It might be old. See if it needs to be updated. Pinterest has changed a lot in the past year. So before, for instance, you could put, a link to your Etsy shop, and then people would read the description and click the pin and then go to the shop. But now it shows it as sold out. So people really don't even look at the pin, right? So, take that out and maybe just reorganize it as an affiliate link or a link to where somebody could buy it, or just don't have the link and then just have a really nice description. So, I've been getting maybe, another 150,000 monthly views and a bunch of more followers by doing that. And a lot of my pins that are doing well this month are just old pins. So, I just been working on them a bit because a couple of these days I didn't have time to make content or go out and make content. But yeah, those are my three tips for 2022. Doing well on Pinterest. Go out there and kill it, everyone.